Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change shipping address in Sephora. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in sephora.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Sephora. You'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now over here, you'll be able to see your account. So what you have to do is click on it or hover over it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the option for account settings. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to your account interface. At left you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options for account information, auto replenish, same day unlimited, recent orders, etc. So what you have to do is simply find the option for saved addresses and click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the saved addresses interface. You'll be able to see all the saved addresses over here. So if you want to change any address, what you can do is simply click on the edit option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the details that you provided over here. So if you want to change any details of this address, you can simply go ahead and change the details. For example, if you want to change the street address, simply click on the field of street address. It is the initial address. Now what you have to do is enter the new address over here. After you change the street address, you can see over here zip or postal code, city and state or region will also be changed. Now you can simply click on this option, update, and after that the address will be changed. Or instead of that, you can simply remove this address and add the new address in order to change the shipping address. What you can do is simply click on this option, remove address. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply click on the option yes. Now you can see over here that shipping address will be removed. Now you can simply add the shipping address again. Click on this option, add shipping address. Now you'll have to enter the details over here. First of all, enter the first name. Now enter the last name. Now select the country, click on the field of country, select the country of your choice. Now enter the phone number for delivery questions. Now after doing that, simply enter the street address over here, click on the field of street address and enter it over here. Now after you enter the street address, you can see over here zip or postal code, city, state or region will automatically be filled. Now after you enter all the details, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your shipping address will be changed. So that is how you change shipping address on Sephora. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.